the original Grease, that's my favorite. You know what I'm saying? I was kind of iffy on Grease too, but I will say Prowlin is my favorite fucking song on Grease 2. You know what I'm saying? Like, something about this song, like they had to go the extra mile in this song. You know what I'm saying? They had to. And it is perfect. Like, I didn't watch this scene, like, probably a billion times back to back. Real shit. So, check out this Prowlin from the motherfucking T-Birds. Let's get it.
Well, come on and tell us, Johnny.
What's the secret of success?
You gotta take a tip from the king of hip, 'cause you know that he's the best. We're going prowling. We're going prowling tonight. You say you're hungry for a lover, gotta find a chick who'll give you more. Well, there's a spot that I've discovered where a guy's guaranteed to score. I'm gonna show you cats some action like you've never seen before. We're gonna get some satisfaction down at the grocery store. We're going prowling. We're going prowling. We're going prowling tonight. There's a female butcher at the luncheon meat display. Well, don't you know? Got the best tongue in town.
That's right.
She delivers both night and day. You see the apple of your eye, stacking peaches in a 5-foot pie, just waiting for some guy to come and take a rolling down the aisle.
I like a debutante comes across. Now that's what I call class.
Well, I like a tall girl with long legs that comes right up to me.
You know what I like? I like a girl who's really smart, provided that she's really stacked.
Yeah? Well, I love them all. They love me.
'Cause I'm the leader of this here band. Beauty goes fast.
Show them little beauty that we T-Birds to the bone. Jump like a T-Bird. Jump like a T-Bird. Jump like a T-Bird.
Tonight we're going prowling.
Let's go for the sales tax.
Very nice. We could win those albums yet.
We can win those albums.
We gotta get rid of the competition.
Competition, no.
Yeah, you know what I'm saying? That shit is my favorite part of the motherfucking movie right there. Like, yeah, it's just ridiculous. You know what I'm saying? Like, as soon as I get done with this, I'm about to be playing it again. Like, period. Like, I don't know. But Grease, the regular one, they got all the tunes in that one. That Look at Me, I'm Sandra D. That's, oh man, like the way they did that shit was crazy. Crazy. And you got the car scene with that one. Even you got the end of the movie, that one. Oh my God, like that, the beginning of the movie, like, man. That shit is just classic. I'm about to watch it tonight. It's just classic.